Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and the greatest in audio and video technology. Today I have a very special treat for you, the new Denon AVR-X1800H, a 7.2 channel AV receiver. Let's take a look at what this amp can do. So we receive the remote control, the Odyssey microphone for sound calibration to correct your room. With this, you plug the microphone there. This is a regular Odyssey microphone. And then we receive this paper tripod in order to use the microphone up here, you see, and to start the calibration. We receive as well these stickers here with different colors in order to name our cables, to assign our cables and to avoid any mistake. The design of the amp looks like the previous model. It has a built-in huge wireless multi-room audio system that lets you stream music. Here we have the two antennas built in. We cannot remove these ones. Two antennas. Here we have the output of the terminals for the speakers. In front it looks like the other Denon products, for example like the previous one, 1700. So this is a 7-channel amplifier. There are some upgrades compared to the previous model. For example, it has better menus in terms of resolution. So we have 7-channel output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of output. We have antenna because this is the DAP version, but it comes without the antenna. This is to receive the FM and digital radio stations. Then we have a phone stage input, MM, 2 analog inputs, 2 digital inputs here, optical, Ethernet to connect the cable, USB power only to power some device, for example, to charge our phone or to put in a dongle. Then we have 6 inputs, HDMI, 3 of them that are 8K compatible, and 1 ARC HDMI output. Here we connect our television. And the mains without earth. As you can see, Marantz and Denon, they don't like to use the third pole there for earth. Subwoofer, this one's there to connect your subwoofer. So when we connect the TV, suddenly on TV we see these beautiful menus this time. Forget the low resolution menus. Now Denon, even in this introductory, let's say mid-range product, we have high resolution menus. We can select the language. Let's keep English. And then we have all this procedure how to install, include the microphone, batteries, and sold separate, says the speakers, of course. Would separate the speakers. Next to place. This is how to connect the speakers, the cables. A lot of information Denon provides here for a proper installation of your home theater system. Front. Do you have a center channel? Yes, I have. So there are questions for all speakers that you have. You can have a setup of 2 channels of 2.1, 3 different, to have center channel or not, to have a Dolby Atmos speakers or not, surround channels speakers or not. So it's asking a lot of questions until we reach the end. We have a subwoofer, has 2 subwoofer outs. So this is our setup. The good thing is, okay, we hear the sound, we hear everything works fine. Let's say that to the product. You can fool the product, you know, it's not the AI yet here. Let's keep the calibration for the moment, network setup. Next. So it has two bands, as you can see, for Wi-Fi. Connect successful. Next. So we have ARC. Game 8K. Is there a game 8K? Let's put this, okay? Okay, I have it on my phone, this one, enjoy. That's it. So let's check the menus now, analytically. So we have audio, graphic EQ. This time we have no small and large speakers, but we can assign frequencies if we go to, okay, video, let's check video. HDMI setup. Everything on here. HDMI upscaler has it off, put it on, auto. Assign inputs. Speakers, manual setup. Speaker layout. So this is the speaker layout here. 7.1 plus zone, second zone, bi-amp, to bi-amp the front speakers, 5.1 bi-amp, 7.1, this is the different setups that you can have, but you can have stereo as well. Speakers layout, distances, front, yes, you see here we don't have small or large speakers, we have yes or no, and then we can assign frequencies, distances, levels, and crossover. So here we can assign, previously we had large and small, but now we have frequencies to all channels in order to deliver, let's say, the bass, the LFE, to distribute evenly to all our speakers if we don't have a subwoofer. So we can assign different frequencies in order not to load our front speakers. Low frequency effect, subwoofer output, this graph, low pass filter for the subwoofer. So we have a bass management here, which is very advanced for this kind of product. Low pass filter there. Then we have HEOS app, you know, multi-room and all the music services, networking feature of this amplifier. And then we have the general Bluetooth transmitter. So for Bluetooth transmitter we have off, so we can drive our Bluetooth headphones with this transmitter. Front display, bright or not, or switch it off. Firmware update. So we download the update now. So on the display we can see the way that the amplifier is updating. 5 minutes says we're at 0% right now. So update finished. Let's have a more look in front. So we're taking a look inside. We see the transformer is here. The transistor we see, here we see the 14 transistors, 2 per channel, they're coming in pairs. So it's class AB amplification, this amplifier here. All the 7 channels are exactly the same as we can see here. The PCM bare browns. PCM 5102A are exactly the same as in the previous model, and 5108 these two. HEOS platform must be upgraded here because there is a new version. Antennas, cables going out. Phono stage is this one here, the phono stage. It looks like discrete. On the back there is this is the phono stage. So the heatsink, this side has this This like very thin material. It's not aluminum, but this is aluminum here. The plate is aluminum and has other metal here that provides extra weight for the temperature. I mean, to disperse the temperature. Offers a lot of systems, a lot of features, but you see, guys, inside all the electronics, after so many years, they look the same. Just the digital board changes. Overall, I'm very impressed with this Denon. It's a powerful and versatile AV receiver that delivers what it promises, a lot of features. It's a mid-range product. It's better in some aspects in terms of the previous one, but only in small details. For example, the menus, as I said, or the bass management. Let's check it on gaming, how it performs. So we plug the Xbox there to check this. We used an OLED television with 120 Hz, so it locks on this kind of signal, gaming signal, 4K 120 Hz. Everything is green here, as you can see. We even played a game, so this is all passed through now, and the audio comes out nicely from the AV receiver, so 7.1 channels Xbox. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this amp. See you next time, guys. That's all.